Okay, so the limit of trigonometric functions. So we have this given, so the limit of x times sine x as x approaches to pi over 2. So we're going to use direct substitution. So again, x approaches to pi over 2. So we have now pi over 2 times sine x or sine pi over 2. Then to simplify this equation, we're going to convert this pi over 2 in degrees. Now, since pi is equal to 180 degrees, then divide by 2. So, therefore, this pi over 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So, we have now pi over 2, then sine 90 degrees. Then to solve for sine 90 degrees, so sine 90 degrees, that's equal to 1. So we have pi over 2 times 1. So this limit now is equal to pi over 2. Then for this given, so the limit of tangent 3x over cotangent 2x minus secant squared x as x approaches to pi over 4. So we need to convert this pi over 4 first in degrees. So pi is 180 degrees, then divide by 4. So this one is 45 degrees. So we're going to use this 45 degrees. So we have tangent 3 times 45 degrees over cotangent 2 times 45 degrees minus secant squared. Then we have this 45 degrees. Then simplify, so this 3 times 45. So we have tangent 135 degrees over this 2 times 45. That's cotangent 90 degrees. Then minus, so we can rewrite this one as secant 45 degrees. Then we have this square outside. Then since we don't have cotangent and secant in our calculator, so we're going to use an identity to solve for this cotangent and secant. So for cotangent, we can use this cotangent is equal to 1 over tangent, or cotangent that's equal to cosine over sine. While this secant that's equal to 1 over cosine. Then simplify this equation. So tangent 135, so we have tangent 135, that's equal to negative 1. So this one is negative 1. Then for cotangent 90, now if we're going to use this 1 over tangent, but tangent 90 is undefined, so therefore for cotangent, we're going to use this cosine over sine. So cotangent 90 is the same as cosine 90 over sine 90 degrees. Then minus for secant, that's 1 over cosine, that's 45 degrees. Then there's a square outside. Then to simplify, so we have negative 1. Then this cosine 90, so cosine 90, that's 0, and sine 90, that's 1. So this one is 0 over 1. Then minus this 1 over cosine 45 squared. So 1 divided by cosine 45 equals, then take the squared, that's equal to 2. Then simplify, so this one is 0. So negative 1 divided by negative 2. This one is positive 1 over 2 or positive 1/2. So this limit is equal to 1 over 2. Then for this given, so sine x plus cosine x over tangent x. So this pi over 4 convert to degrees. So we have 180 divided by 4. This one is 45 degrees. Then substitute. So sine 45 plus cosine 45 over this tangent 45. Now, since the given angle is 45 degrees, and this angle belongs to the special triangle, so that's 45, 45, 90 degrees. So this one is 45, this one is 45, this one is 1 square root of 2, and sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2, and this cosine 45 also square root of 2 over 2 over this tangent 45, that's equal to 1. Okay, using this special triangle. Then simplify, so square root of 2 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2, that's 2 square root of 2 over 2. Then cancel this 2, so therefore this limit is equal to square root of 2.